This meeting is being recorded.
For Chapter 22, Problem 2, we're asked to draw the structure of each of these named compounds, A through E. So let's take a look at compound A here. And the name indicates that this is a dialkylamine. There are two simple alkyl groups. So we have cyclohexyl and methylamine. So we would draw for part A here our nitrogen, and then we can draw oh, a cyclohexyl group here. So that's going to be six-membered ring. There we go. And then we have methyl, and then the other spot will be a hydrogen. So there's our compound for part A. Part B, now we have a trialkylamine. All three of our alkyl groups are cyclobutyl groups. So we would put nitrogen in the middle. We can draw cyclobutyl up top. We can go down here, draw another. Oh, cyclobutyl, not cyclopentyl, so we'll keep it 4. And then we have, again, our third cyclobutyl group there. So yours may look a little prettier if you take more time. Then we have in part C here, we have 2,4-diethyl-aniline. So we have aniline. That's another name for, we could say, AKA aminobenzene. We've worked with this in the past in a lab. So hopefully you are familiar with this compound by now. So again, we have that amino group there. So that's going to be our carbon 1. Then I have ethyl at carbon 2. And then down here we can put carbon 4. So we have 2, 4, this position, both ethyl groups. All right, let's take a look at compound D here. So we have now the parent is going to be a 6-membered ring based on this name here, the cyclohexanamine. So we're going to name this as, or draw this rather, as such. We're going to have on the carbon 2 a methyl substituent. So we know that my carbon 1 here, I'll prove to you why it's on a wedge. We're going to have that amino group there. And then we'll see that here, this methyl substituent will also be on a wedge. So here, let's take a look here. So the name gives us the configuration of these two groups. So we just have to prove that they're both on a wedge or change them to a dash. So let's take a look at carbon 1 first. My highest priority is here. My second priority is here. And then my third priority would be over here. I already have my hydrogen, fourth priority on a dash. So I look at this and I go 1, 2, 3. So my 1 is confirmed to be R. Now let's go look at carbon 2 here with that methyl substituent. So priority-wise, this way would be 1. Down here is going to be 2. Our methyl is going to be 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3 in the S direction. So that's why we know that both of these substituents are going to be on wedges instead of dashes, the amino and the methyl. All right, and then let's take a look at our last compound here. We have amino benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is our parent. So we have our benzene ring coming off of that. We have our aldehyde carbonyl. And then in the ortho position, so that would be right here, we're going to have our amino group.